Hi, it's Angie, your office manager, and Dr. Dutch, here to tell you what's going on at Pierce Clinic this week. So, Dr. Dutch, what's going on?
So this coming Tuesday, August 22nd at 6:30 p.m., we're having our live health restoration class right here at Pierce Clinic. Dr. Miller's going to be hosting that. Great opportunity for you to come in, find out more about what we're doing here, and ask questions of the doctor. So we look forward to seeing you there. Call the office, talk to Dana or Kay, and get registered for that right away.
Absolutely. And at the end of that class, Dr. Miller will give you a certificate toward your initial consult and exam. So that's about $100 savings. So get here, or recommend somebody to get here for that, because people need it. Also today, what do we want to talk about?
Children.
So if you don't know, I'm actually Dr. Pierce's daughter. So I have had the luxury of being under this care my entire life, as has Dr. Dutch.
Yes.
So fortunately for us, we've been able to avoid a lot of different health issues as a result. But being here now and being in practice with my father for the last 30 years, we have been able to, or I personally have been able to, watch so many children who have recovered from major things. Babies, a 2-day-old baby with jaundice, so yellow, get a correction, and basically it was like the floodgates opening up and that body was able to function. Why? Because we removed this nerve interference right up at the highest level. Ear infections.
Yep, very routinely see ear infection cases come in. Anything that really has to deal with dysfunction, feeding issues, sleeping issues, things like that. Babies and infants, very routinely we find that there's a problem at the highest level, that upper neck, that's causing some of these problems.
Yeah, and fortunately we've been able to help a number of kids avoid having to get tubes put in their ears. We've been able to help families whose children have suffered with colic, and that, if anybody with a child with colic knows, that causes complete unrest in a home. And I mean, it's a lot. So you can even go on our website, and when you go under the conditions, you can see the childhood conditions.
Absolutely.
And there's a wonderful, wonderful testimonial from a mom who experienced just such a thing with their child, and how our care here, AdvO correction at the highest level, not only helped that baby, but helped their entire family. So if you haven't had your kids checked, or if you have grandchildren or friends who you know that are suffering because their kids are not doing well, get them in here to get them checked.
Now's the time.
Now's the time. But it's never too late. Whether you're young, old, get in here, get evaluated. So, all right. Well, if you have any questions, give us a call. But this week, our infused water is going to be orange pineapple. So get that cup of water. Dana and Kay are trying to drink it all, but get in here for yours as soon as you can. And always want to encourage you, if you haven't been checked in a while, call Dana and Kay. Get scheduled. Make sure you're holding your correction. You might be thinking like, oh gosh, I've been thinking I need to get in there. Well, now's the time. Do not wait.
We care about you.
Absolutely.
Get yourself checked.
We care. So at Pierce Clinic, always remember, it's about a gentle adjustment with life-changing results. Have a great week.